with राजस्थान का प्राचीन इतिहास। Which modern district can be a part of the मत्स्य जनपद? अलवर, भरतपुर, धौलपुर, करौली। मत्स्य जनपद भरतपुर, धौलपुर, करौली है, इसमें बात है। The dynasty which ruled over Mewar for the longest period is Guhilots. The capital of Rathod prior to Jodhpur was Mandor. The modern nomenclature Rajasthan was first of all used by James Todd. Where have the oldest evidence of the ploughed farms been found in Rajasthan? Kalibanga. The consequent of the first war of Tarain was Prithviraj Chauhan's victory. The architect of Kirti Stambh was Rana Kumbha. Which famous battle was fought on June 18, 1576, Haldighati? Which ruler of the medieval Rajputana can be recognized as the modern ruler known as Swaijay Singh? Who was called the Ulysses of Rathod by James Todd? Durgadas Rathod. Which archives is the most ancient witness to the Vaishnava religion in Rajasthan? Gosundi Archives. Which Sufi saints has been associated with Nagaur in the medieval period? Hamiduddin Nagauri. What do you know about the nomenclature or naming of Rajasthan? George Thomas was the first to name the present Rajasthan as Rajputana in 1800. The non-historian Cole James Todd named it Rajasthan or Rajasthan in his book Annals and Antiquities in 1829. Write two characteristics of the Ahad civilization. The houses were planned to be provided with open space, veranda or gallery. The art of making clay pots wares was very popular. Write about the Dilwara Jain temple. The Dilwara Jain temple are known for their fine enameling, engraving and stone mosaic work in the whole world. They are built of white marble. Dilwara temple. When was the Haldighati war fought? Which were the parties to war and what were the consequences? The Haldighati war was fought on 18th June 1876 between Maharana Pratap of Mewar and Man Singh, Akbar's representative. It was an indecisive war. Who got built the Rajsamand Lake and why? Maharaja Raj Singh of Mewar got built the Rajsamand Lake in order to reach help of people of Mewar in times of crisis and to promote the artistic trends. Name the main four buildings of Amer. Amber Fort, Jagat Shiromani Temple, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas, Sila Devi Temple. Which Sufi saints dargahs are located in Ajmer and Nagaur? Ajmer has Saint Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Dargah. Nagaur has Sufi Sant Hamiduddin Nagauri Dargah. Write a brief note on the Kalibanga civilization. The Kalibanga civilization. The civilization was settled on the Saraswati Drishtavati rivers in the present Hanumangarh district. There were two mounds, the eastern mound and the western mound. Both the mounds were fortified for the security reason. Pre-Harappan period and post-Harappan period remains have been found here. The pre-Harappan period ploughed farms have been located here. In the absence of stones, the walls were built of mud bricks and their joints were filled with ash. There was a sanitary system in the form of private and public drains and clay weirs to collect waste. As approved to their religious belief, Agni Vedas have been found. The present Gaggar river flowing there was known as Saraswati in the ancient period.